will work for the welfare of our people.
Presiden Kemiklia Pradesh Congress Committee Bak Vincent H. Pala ulakam bakasengkan la ban lebha rilum garu hakani ke election syaging dor ba tauan. Ulang bakajingele hakathan kan long hapren ke NPP bat Congress da kaba ban ba hakikat tu ni kijaka kajing kon kan long hapren ke Congress bat ke TMC. Kamhaswa Bak Vincent ulang ba tikna la unong mikmat balarang ba Dr. Mukul Sangma unsutanat bandan bat ke TMC namar Trekam hakarukam baper laru ban ang bakarilum garo kan sesaki kejing ikon jong kiseng babun jaj kum ke BJP Congress TMC bat kiseng NPP kin persang kat bala ban yo kejing job jong ki arp sot lagi syuki ki badan.
As far as what I met from our friends from Garo Hills and all, I think the fight in Garo Hills is mainly between the NPP and the Congress. Except in certain areas, of course, like Trinamool also will be there because they are Trinamool just now. They were in the Congress only, so they have taken quite a few people from the Congress. So only when we have a proper candidates, we are going to announce the candidates very soon. When